Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could fix an SD card showing the RAW error. So whenever you plug your SD card, it doesn't appear in your PC shortcut, or it appears as this way. To solve that problem, all what you need to do, if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 and Windows 11, go to your search tab and type Format, Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on it to open. Wait until all the disk has been loaded. As you can see, and as all the disk has been loaded, here I have my disk which is not showing, my SD card. So it says unallocated. Click on the black side, click with the right button of the mouse, select new volume, hit next. Please note before you go to the next step that any data which was already existing in the SD card has been lost. And next you will be asked to format. So again, if you format, I don't know if you will be able to recover the data or not, but probably the data is lost forever. So if you want to be able to use the SD card, this is the way how you can still be able to use it in the future. Click next. Here we'll select the letter drive. You can select whatever letter you would like. I will select X and I click next. I will select the F8032. I will name it SD card. Perform a quick format and I will click next. Here I will click finish. The format will happen. Any remaining data will be removed and the SD card, I will be able to use it in the future. Usually the operation takes few seconds to up to 1 or 2 minutes, but it should appear. Now we go back to our PC shortcut. And as you can see, I have the SD card here available and I can access it and use the data in it. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new